Hey everyone, hope you're well today. So today we're going to quickly go through how you convert rows to numbers. We're going to do this quickly. So in this case here I have a lot of cells and they're all in text format. So you can obviously go here and go convert to number and this will convert it. The problem is if you have thousands of rows or tens of thousands of rows, if you do this it can cause both Excel and your computer to hang. So there's a much quicker way to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight them all and then we're going to do a text to column here. Because I have these merged cells I can't do the whole lot, so I need to highlight here, go control shift down, so that's everything highlighted. So go over to text to column, so again sorry, that's data text to column, then you can go delimited, next, tab is fine, and then just go finish. And now as you can see that every line, every row has been converted to a number very quickly. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.